Hi, Ganesh back here, Blue Trading Academy of India. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through Zerodha's brokerages, also other charges. So before we start that, why we choose Zerodha? The reason is simple, because Zerodha is the #1 discount broker in India, and also they have about 2 millions of clients, which makes a contribution of 15% of retail order volume in India, which is really amazing. And also Zerodha have very cool features and also smooth trading platforms such as Pi and Kite. So these platforms are really user friendly. So also the Zerodha products, which is Sticks or Sensible, these all are very useful, and also they are very user friendly and easy to use. And if you don't have an account with Zerodha, I have given a link under the description box, so you can click, you can open your from online. And also if you don't know how to open online, I also make a video about how to create a Zerodha account using mobile phones. So also you can watch it, it's available under the description again. So let's start the video. So before I walk you through the Zerodha brokerage calculator, I would like to walk through the quick overview. So free equity delivery order. So when you're trading with delivery, you are completely free to trade. There is no brokerages on the delivery trades you're making, but other charges is there. I'll walk you through that later. When it comes to intraday and FNO, the flat charge, you can see flat charge is 20 rupees or 0.03%. Before it was 0.1%, now it's 0.3%, whatever the lower is. So when you're trading, you have to remember you need to pay 2 times brokerage when you buying the stock and when you selling the stock. So 2 times you have to pay. So per transaction it will be 20 rupees or 0.03%, whatever the lower. If you are trading with a lesser amount, then you will be charged 0.03% on your capital that you're using for the trade. And also mutual funds is free here. There is no brokerage on the direct mutual fund. So when you trade investing mutual fund using Zerodha, you will be free to trade it. You will be not charged any brokerage, but other charges is there. So I'll walk you through shortly. So this is the Zerodha calculator, and you can see we have intraday equity, delivery equity, FNO future and FNO option. And also we have a buy and sell and quantity. So what I'll do to make it easy, I'm going with a buy price of 100 and a sell price of 110. And a quantity of 100. So I will do this for all the orders. So let's look at the intraday equity first. We bought stock at price of 100. We will sell the stock at 110, which is 100 quantity. Technically we were profit 10 rupees per stock. So we made 1000 rupees profit on this trade. And when you see that very clearly, you can see what is your brokerage is charged here, 6.3 rupees. So you charge brokerage is 6.3 rupees. And a STT, which means security transaction, it is 3 rupees, and exchange transaction charge is 0.68, and a clearing charge is 0, and a GST is a 1.26, and SEBI charges is 0.01, and total tax and charges is 11.25, and a 0.2 break even is 0.11. So which makes your profit come down to 9.88.75. This is overall you made profit, and these are the charges you are paying. So this is for intraday. Now let's have a look at the delivery. So when you look at the delivery, you can see a brokerage is 0 here. When you see the intraday, we paid 6.3, but when it comes to brokerage, we paid 0. And the security transaction tax is really high. You can see here 21 rupees we are paying. Previous we paid only 3 rupees. Here we don't have brokerage, but we have to pay higher number of security transaction charges. Still it is not too big. 21 rupees is not a very big amount. It's affordable. Next, exchange transaction charges, which is 0.68, same as intraday. And GST is only 0.12 here, and the SEBI charges 0.01, and the total tax charges 21.81. The point break even is 0.22. So on delivery, total tax and charges we paid 21.81. Next is a future, and here you can see the brokerage is 6.3, which makes 20 rupees or least 0.03. You have to remember this, and that's why we are paying 6.3 brokerage here, and STT is only 1 here, 1 rupee, and exchange transaction charge is 0.4 here. Clearing charges is 0 again, and the GST is a 1.21 here, and SEBI charges 0.01. SEBI charges 0.01 for all the trades that you make. And next is total transaction, we paid here 8.90, which is very lesser than delivery order. So on the option, it's a flat brokerage, which is 20 rupees per transaction, which makes 40 rupees per trade. And the STT total is 6 rupees here. Again, it's lesser than the delivery order. And exchange transaction charges is higher here. You can see 10.5, and clearing charge is 0. GST again 0.09, and SEBI charges is 0.01, and total charges is 65.6. and option have higher charges than if you compare with intraday delivery and the futures. So these are the charges. Now let's look at other charges. So account opening charges, you can see when you open account, if on online account, if you wanted to trade only equity, FNO and currency, then you have to pay 200. If you wanted to add commodity, then you have to add 100 rupees extra, which makes 300. Offline account 400 rupees, and when it comes to commodity it will be 600. And NRI account, it's only offline, so there is no commodity available. So in case if you are away from India, then you have to open from the offline, then it will cost is 500 rupees. Partnership or corporate account is a 500 rupees in equity trading. When it comes to MCX, it's 800 rupees. So along with this, Zerodha have also AMC, which is 300 rupees per annual. So annual maintenance charge is 300 for individuals. When it comes to corporate accounts, it's 1000 rupees plus GST. So all the AMC have a GST of 18%. And Zerodha also have a value added services, and you can see the list here. And I use personally Steaks, which I really like. Steak basic charge is 500 rupees, and also they have a premium which is 900, and ultimate is 1400. I use basic and it was really useful. And also if you wanted to know what is Steak is a backtesting program. So if you have any strategies, you can backtest them using a Steak. So these are the main charges Zerodha have, and this is the video for today. Now you hit the subscribe button or like the video or drop us a comment, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.